All right, you bunch of homos, here we go. This is the random list for Midwest, whatever the hell he's calling it. Here, let's see. Midwest Fantasy. John Tran, Steve Michaels, longtime Chicago Bears and former WCW Four Horsemen. New daddy Michael Hyatt, Ryan Ross, son of the legendary Jim Ross. Bob Vander Galen, I guarantee I mispronounced that. Yeah, that dude, nobody cares. Matt Holsander, Chris Delata, Derek Bob Stinkbank, myself, and Stump. We're going to go over here. We will roll the dice one time. It has to be a 4 or higher. Wow. Almost all the way. 11 times. Now you guys watch. I will be on top on 10 and then fall to the bottom on 11. 1. See, there I am on the bottom already. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, now this is interesting because I'm usually at the top. So Michael Hyatt's at the top, which means there's a good chance I may not be at the bottom. I like this. So we're going 11 times. You guys see right here, 11 times. Come back over here. I have randomized the list 10 times. We're going to go one more time. Good luck, guys. I am dead in the middle. Bob Vander Galen, Stump, that Stinkbank guy, John Tranny. I'm in between a Tranny and Paris. Steve Michaels, Chris Delata, Mike Hyatt, Matt Holsander, Ryan Ross. Ryan, you have my spot. Anyway, there you go, folks. 11 times. There's the order. There's the dice. Okay, I'll post it over here shortly. Thanks, guys.